All right guys, welcome back. We have a cool video for you guys today. Finally have some great weather again. It's a little bit windy, but hey, it is what it is. I'll take what I can get. It's not filled with smoke and it's not 110 degrees out, so I love it. All right, so what we have for you guys today though is an awesome product review. You guys have seen me do the GreenMachine lawnmower, the leaf blower, and the string trimmer. I got one more product for you guys today that we're gonna go ahead and go over. It's something that I've never personally used before, so you're gonna see me use something like this for the very first time today. Be kind to me in the comments. If I did it wrong, hey, I did it wrong. This is not a tutorial on how to cut down a tree, but this was just a simple product review of something that I really wanted to kind of get my hands on and use and have in my garage. So what I have for you guys today, the GreenMachine 16-inch chainsaw. All right, this thing, holy cow. All right, right off the bat, it is nice, it is heavy, it is durable. I love the feel of it in my hands. All right, and I really don't know what to look for, and I'll be honest, I don't know what to look for when it comes to chainsaws. All right, but this thing, as somebody who's never used a chainsaw before, I like the feel of it. Okay, so when you get it out of the box, this is what it is. It's already assembled, everything's ready to go. You don't have to put anything together. Comes with a nice guard. Pull it off, got your nice blade there. Loving the look of it. You guys know me, I love the GreenMachine look. The green and the black just is a very nice, sexy look. I love it. So when you go ahead and get it though, it has a couple features that you guys need to be aware of. Of course, you have your chain loosener. Right here, you'll see me unscrew and unloosen the chain belt, so that way you can go ahead and loosen that belt up, clean everything off, get everything out of there and debris. It was really easy to clean the first time I used it. I apologize I didn't get any footage of it, but it was really easy to go ahead and take this off, clean it up, get everything nice and clean and put it back together again. So simple and so easy. And what was really kind of a benefit to it is as you kind of put it on its side here, you don't have to worry about gasoline or anything leaking out because it's fully electric, right? It's got the battery. It comes with a 4 amp hour battery right here. All right, so you plug right in. It's so simple and easy. It's right there. Boom, boom, easy to go. All right, so really do like it. You do need some bar and chain oil. You go ahead and add that in right there. So really easy, you just open up the cap, pour your bar and chain oil in. The only kind of thing that I didn't like is that, you know, the handle that you hold on to and where you pour that bar and chain oil into, it's a little bit of a tight clearance. Makes it a little messy, but overall, not terrible. Works really well though. Really did, you know, thought it was kind of easy to go ahead and get it going. As far as using this was easy. All right, grabbing my first chainsaw, gearing it up and getting it going. I mean, this was easier than I could ever imagine. So I went over to my neighbor's yard. He had been looking to cut down a tree that he's had for a while. Since he moved in, he wanted to cut it down. So we went ahead and cut it down. Not a pro at this. You'll see some footage here. We went ahead and topped the top of it off, and then kind of cut our ways down the tree as we went through it though. And this thing cut like butter. This is a very heavy pine tree, so it's full of sap. No real issues though cutting this tree, other than it was leaning, so it kind of took the wrong fall on us, but hey, no big deal. All right, nothing happened, no one got hurt. We were very safe about it, but it cut everything so simply and easily. It was one of the easiest things I've ever done. I was like, man, why have we not had these before? This was it just cut like butter. And we went through the whole tree. We were done with that tree, cutting it from, you know, top down and then piecing it out. We were done with that tree in maybe 20-30 minutes. And on top of that, guys, the battery. All right, we're gonna go back to the battery real quick. The battery, we cut that whole tree down and it still had half the battery left. So you get a good amount of battery out of this. Now you're gonna go down and chop down a forest? No, but for your everyday home use, great piece of product. It works really, really well. And you know, it has a nice sound to it. I mean, look at this. I really liked it. It worked really, really well. It feels good in your hands, nice heavy. So, you know, it's not gonna kick back on you too hard. It's got some weight to it. And it's really easy to just kind of wield and move around, point where you need it to go and get it into those areas where you need to make those, you know, precision cuts. So overall, really did like the machine and how it operated for the very first time of using a chainsaw. So somebody who can come up, never use one, grab it and go. There you guys go, right? So on top of, you know, obviously getting the machine and the battery, you get the supercharger as well. And I call it a supercharger because it'll charge one of these 4 amp hour batteries in about an hour, full charge. So I absolutely do love these superchargers. Again, these chargers are absolutely great. You drop your battery on there, it's got a fan inside. It's got some screw holes on the back here, so you can go ahead and hang it on the or hang it on your walls, hang it on your workbench, wherever you want to put it. So on top of being able to hang the charger, you can also hang the chainsaw. It's got its own little hanging mechanism right there. Easy to do, easy to use, right? Keeps it off the floor, keeps it out of the way, keeps it safe. All these great things that GreenMachine really thought of before making their products and putting them out there. I absolutely love that I don't have to buy something to, hang this or keep it out of the way. It's already on the product, it's ready to go. So really awesome piece of machinery. So outside of that, we did a really good job, cutting this tree down, getting it going. Like I said, never used a chainsaw before. My neighbor who was there, it was his yard. He had used gas chainsaws before, and he was thoroughly impressed by what this machine was able to do and accomplish in such a short time, and not having any gas to kind of make a mess of or make leaks to, because he said he had back in the day when he had his and he had to clean off the belt and all that, gas would leak out and it was just a mess, and he never wanted to clean it. This easy to clean, took about 10 minutes to fully clean everything out of there because it was a sappy tree, and then going ahead and getting it back up and running again, maybe 10 minutes total. We hit it with some denatured alcohol, cleaned all that sap out of there, and got it going back to running the speed. So nothing was wrong with it. It was perfectly fine, but we just wanted to make sure none of that sap stuck in there, gunked the machine down. Overall, really solid piece though. Happy to have been able to help my neighbor get his tree down, and really kind of cool to be able to use a chainsaw for the first time. And now I have this in my garage in case I need something else cut down. I don't know, maybe one day, who knows. But other than that, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are looking to go ahead and get yourself a chainsaw, I will put a link for this chainsaw down in the video description. Go ahead and snag yourself one. You get 10% off your order if you use my link. Totally up to you if you guys are looking for one. If not, hey, no big deal. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, go out there and make it a great day. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.